Hello everyone, I am Siddharthan. In this video, let's understand how we can create a pull request in GitHub. So pull request is basically used when, let's say, we have two branches and one branch has some changes that the other branch doesn't have. So in this case, we have two branches, one is main and the other branch is dev. So let's say that main branch is in production and you're currently working on dev branch so that you're not making any changes directly in your main branch. And we have a new file called as local file.txt that has been committed to it, and this local file.txt is not there in the main branch. So this goes for your project and what you are working on. So let's say that you are making a change in a Python file, and that needs to be kind of reflected in the main branch. So what we would do is we would come to this div branch, make sure that every changes that you did is basically what you need, right? So once that verification is done, you can click this compare and pull request button. So using this, we can compare the two branches and create a pull request. So the other option is you can go to this pull request option here on this pull request tab, code issues and pull request. Here I can click on new pull request because sometimes you would have several branches and you want to use a specific branch to commit to it. So here we have this main branch. So you can say base branch is main and the other branch is dev. That means we are going to merge dev branch to the main branch. Okay, so the latest changes are present in dev and we basically want to merge these changes to the main branch. So here we have one commit. So we have just made like one change and we have committed one change, and we are going to merge that to the main branch, and it says that one file has been changed and this is one contributor, the person who has changed this, and this shows the all the changes that you have done. So here we have just created a empty file called as local file.txt and just added this text of test local file. So this is what we have created, and here you can click this create pull request button after verifying that you have properly changed the file, you have proper contents and so on. Again, this change can be on multiple files, multiple lines and so on. So click on this create pull request, and here you can add your reviewers. So reviewers is basically you would be probably your senior engineer or your technical manager who is going to review your code. So you can type your username, their username and so on. But if you are in a company's GitHub account, right, so here you can just type in their name and you will see this because you're in the same team and so on. So basically here you will see the reviewers who are all given access to this repository. So there is, let's say this is a private repository and I've given access to 10 people. So I'll see those persons name here, so I can type in their name and select that person's name. So this person will go through the changes that you have done and make sure that everything is correct, and if not, they would just kind of give some comments on this is not right, make this change, so this is not in proper standards and so on. So they would kind of make those changes, and you can assign this yourself. So this is the assignee thing. So it says that I'm the person who is kind of creating this change and so on. So once you assign this reviewers, you have to wait for you know their approval. So you won't click on this create pull request yet. So you would just like wait for their approval. So open this reviewers thing. Let's say add your manager or like whoever your project needs the approval from. So make all those changes, and here you can click on create pull request. Okay, so this would check if the branch can merge automatically. So sometimes that it won't be possible because there would be some conflicts. Let's say that there is a change that you have made, but there is another person who have made change on a different branch, so after you have pulled, so there can be some conflicts that can happen, and in that cases it won't let you to merge automatically. So you have to resolve those conflicts, make sure that which is the code that you really want to merge. So all those has to be happen, but for this purpose let's not do that. So after that you can click on this merge pull request, and if you have some reviewers and there can be some rules on the repository that it says that it should have at least approval from 2 reviewers. So if that's the case, you wouldn't be able to merge it directly. So once that review has been done, once they have approved it, you can click on this merge pull request and say confirm merge. So you can also create some description of what that merge is. So pull request successfully merged. So you can either delete the branch, which is the dev branch, or you can just keep it as such and keep working on it. So now I'll open this main branch. Now I'm seeing this local file.txt because this is the latest pull request. So you can open this commits and you can see the pull request that has been committed. So it says merge pull request from Sid and so on, and I've merged it from dev. So click on this view commit details thing here, and it will show you all the changes that has been made and so on. So it says that we have added this file, one changed file with one addition, deletion, and so on. So this is how you can create a pull request. So first thing is let's say dev has the latest code, so you open this dev branch, create a pull request, add your reviewers, and once they approve your changes, and you can just merge your code to the main branch. So this is the process. So I hope everyone is clear until this point. I'll see you in the next upload. Thanks for watching.